Hi, my name's Kelly Griffin and I'm a solution architect with AWS. Today I'm going to provide you with a quick overview of the FSx file gateway. So let's jump right in. The AWS Storage Gateway acts as a bridge to provide access to virtually unlimited cloud storage by connecting cloud applications running on premises to Amazon storage. The Storage Gateway allows customers to connect to and use key cloud storage services such as Amazon S3, Amazon S3 Glacier, Amazon FSx for Windows File Server, and Amazon Elastic Block Store. The Storage Gateway easily deploys on-premises as a pre-configured hardware appliance, or there's also virtual machine options that support all major hypervisors. By providing a local cache, Storage Gateway enables low latency access to frequently accessed data. The Storage Gateway supports access via standard storage protocols such as NFS, SMB, and iSCSI VTL. So no changes to customers' applications are required. Data is transferred securely and efficiently between the on-premises environment and AWS. There are 4 different types of gateways. Customers use the S3 file gateway to store file data into S3 for use by object-based workloads, including data analytics, machine learning, or as a cost-effective storage target for backups, and as a repository or tier in the cloud for application file storage. The FSx file gateway provides low latency access to Amazon FSx for Windows File Server data on-premise, making it easy for users to access FSx for Windows File Server data while conserving shared bandwidth. Customers use Tape Gateway to replace existing physical tape libraries with a virtual tape library, or a VTL. You can continue to use your existing backup applications and workflows while writing to a nearly limitless collection of virtual tapes. And each virtual tape is stored in Amazon S3 where it can be stored for long-term requirements. The Volume Gateway presents your application's block storage volumes using the iSCSI protocol, and data written to these volumes can be asynchronously backed up as point-in-time snapshots of your data and stored in the cloud as Amazon EBS snapshots. And customers are looking to replace file share infrastructure, but they have challenges with high latency and limited network bandwidth issues. An FSx file gateway simplifies file storage in Amazon FSx for Windows File Server, providing existing applications access to Windows shares as a cost-effective alternative to an on-premises storage. It also provides low latency access to data through transparent local caching. This provides customers with a path to leverage a cloud-managed file server on-prem as a replacement of their NAS or file server, as well as enabling native AWS cloud services such as out-of-band backup with AWS Backup. With these capabilities, customers can consolidate all of their on-prem file share data in AWS on FSx for Windows File Server and benefit from protected, resilient, and fully managed file systems. So let's have a look at a demonstration on using the FSx file gateway. So here we are in the console, and we've got our new gateway here, which is an Amazon FSx file gateway. You can see the different platforms here that we have choice. Now I've got an Amazon EC2 appliance already set up in the background, so we're going to leverage that. You can choose your different service endpoint. For our demonstration purposes, we're going to choose public. And we'll go over here to our gateway demo device that we've already set up in the previous environment. We'll apply the public IP address of that. We'll click next. We now have just a couple of additional settings that we need to do, such as time zone and give it a name. We can also associate any tags that we'd like to do so, but you can also do them later on as well. So we'll scroll down and we'll activate the gateway. I'll attach some disks to it. That's our cache that's going to be on premise. We'll associate it to a new log group, and we're done. So now that's in a running state. So we've now got our FSX gateway ready to go, and we'll attach our gateway to it. You can now also associate any Active Directory domain settings that you like, and this is in line with what we've already got for an Amazon FSX file server. So you can see our file gateway there, and that's all of the additional settings. So you can have a look in the CloudWatch logs, have a look at some metrics as well through CloudWatch metrics. So if we have a look at our IP address here, so you can see here I've got representation of an on-premises environment, and I've also got an FSX Windows file server here. So up the top, I'm connecting to our FSX file gateway, and down the bottom there, I'm connecting to an FSX Windows file server. So what we're going to have a look at now is the difference in latency. So accessing a file through the FSX gateway, and also accessing a file through our Amazon FSX Windows file server. And as you can see here, just opening up 100 records, pretty much the same type of speed. Now what happens though if we access a few more files? So we'll now open up a file that's got approximately 1 million records in it, and you can see that that took approximately 13 seconds to get it from our Amazon FSX Windows file server inside the AWS cloud. Now let's open up the same file utilizing our FSX gateway. You can see there's a massive difference there of approximately 12 seconds or thereabouts to open up a file on cache. Now again, if we do the same thing with a much larger file, we'll just speed this up. So that took approximately 49 seconds. Now if we do exactly the same thing again with the same file using our FSX gateway, we won't need to speed this one up because it's going to be considerably faster. So you can see how much of a difference it is to access that same file using the cache via the FSX gateway. I hope this has been an informative overview of a use case utilizing the AWS Storage Gateway. You can find additional information and documentation by accessing the AWS Storage Gateway product page. Thank you.